Okay, first of all, morning to all of you. By the grace of great Vaheguru, great Dhamma Shukra Ramdas ji, let us start another topic which is very important. It basically comes in the capacity of the 2 marks or 3 marks, okay, or in the 4 marks. Now see, the topic is introduction of holography. Introduction of holography. Now see, what is holography? See, if I compare the ordinary photograph, if I will compare the ordinary photography with the holography, what are the important features? What are the important salient characteristics or features? Now see, an ordinary photograph can only record the two-dimensional view. Can only record the two-dimensional view of an object. Okay, it record only the two-dimensional view of an object. Why? It is because of the fact that the photograph immersion can record only the intensity. Can only record the intensity of the radiation falling on it. Intensity of radiation falling on it. What is intensity? What's the formula of intensity? You tell me. Intensity is equal to intensity is proportional to amplitude square. Intensity is proportional to amplitude square. Okay. So it record only the intensity. It record only the intensity, but it does not record the phase. But it does not record the phase of the light. Okay, in two-dimensional photograph, okay, or we can say in ordinary photograph, it record only the two-dimensional view and it record only the intensity but not phase of light. Okay, now see, this is an important point. If I am talking about the holography, so holography means it is a hologram is a recording medium. A hologram is a recording medium which can store in it three-dimensional view. Three-dimensional view of an object in the form of interference pattern. In the form of interference pattern, it is because it takes the information of the phase of the light wave also. तो holography में क्या होता है? phase का जो contribution है उसको भी हम count करते हैं. Are you getting the point? Yes. But in the ordinary photograph, we take only the intensity, whereas in the hologram or in the holography, it gives the three-dimensional view and we take the contribution given by the phase. Contribution given by the phase. So basically it consists of a two process. One is called a recording. One is called a recording and another is called a reconstruction. Another is called a reconstruction. Okay. Reconstruction of the image. Okay. So it's a two-step process. Now see, this side, the next point. A holography means it's a Greek word. Holography is a Greek word, meaning is whole plus right. Holography means whole plus right. Holography is a Greek word. Holography is a Greek word, whole plus right. Whole plus right. It is a Greek word. It is a Greek word which means that whole plus right. This is the fourth point. Okay, whole plus right. Next point is, it is an advanced form of photography. Holography is the advanced form of photography that allows an image to be recorded in three-dimensional. That allows an image to be recorded in the three-dimensional. Three dimensions. Next point is, the technique of holography can be used. The technique of holography can be used to optically store. Can be used to optically store, retrieve, and process information. Holography. The technique of holography can be used to optically store, retrieve, and process information. Next point is the user and pen. Holography is recording of an interference pattern. Holography is an interference pattern. Which can reproduce a 3D light. Which can reproduce a 3D light using diffraction. यूजिंग डायफ्रैक्शन। दोबारा से बोलो। Holography is a recording of an interference pattern which can reproduce a 3D light using diffraction. Next point लिखिए, holography capture the phase and amplitude of light. Holography capture the phase and amplitude of light. But in the ordinary photograph, what is the case? Ordinary photograph capture only the intensity, of the light. But the holography, in holography, it captures the intensity as well as a phase. And see, intensity and phase gives us the complete information about the object. Okay, complete information of an object. Okay, so this is the most important point. Holography captures the phase and amplitude of light reflected from or transmitted through an object. Reflected from or transmitted through an object. Full stop. In visual term, it captures true 3D space. In visual term, comma, it captures true 3D space, true three-dimensional space, and any objects which are placed within that space, and any objects which are placed within that space. Next point लिखिए, holography is a two-step process. Holography is a two-step process which involves recording of the hologram, and reconstruction process. The first step is the recording of an hologram. The second is reconstruction process. ये एक वैसी बात है जैसे पहले क्या होता था कि हम फोटो खींचते थे, फोटो से क्या हो गया, रिकॉर्ड कर लिया। पहले है ना ऑर्डिनरी फोटोग्राफ में फोटो खींच के जैसे पहले नेगेटिव आता थे ना, तो उस इन्फॉर्मेशन को हम क्या करते थे, कहते वो धोने गया ना, कहते बोलते ना कहना कि उसको धोना बाकी अभी है ना उसको फिल्म को, तो उससे क्या होता था कि वो पिक्चर अपनी असली रूप में आ जाता। तो ये भी ऐसी प्रोसेस है। इन फर्स्ट स्टेप वी बेसिकली रिकॉर्ड द होलोग्राम and in the second process we basically do the reconstruction of the image. Okay, so the overall we can say that the hologram gives the three-dimensional, holography captures the three-dimensional image of an object. Why? Because it captures the amplitude and amplitude, or we can say intensity as well as phase. It captures the intensity and phase of the light. Any doubts on this part? So this is all about it. Thank you so much. Thank you.